penguins have some amazing techniques for survival. Tobogganing. On land, penguins slide on their bellies across the ice, using their feet and flippers to push forward. It's fun and efficient. Counter shading. Their black and white coloring is a camouflage trick. From above, their dark backs blend with the ocean. From below, their white bellies match the bright surface. Thermoregulation. Penguins huddle together to share warmth during brutal Antarctic winters, sometimes forming groups of thousands. Porpoising. In the water, penguins leap in and out like dolphins. This helps them breathe and gain speed while escaping predators like leopard seals. And when it comes to parenting, emperor penguins are next level. After the female lays the egg, the male balances it on his feet and covers it with a warm flap called the brood pouch, all while standing still for 2 months in -40 degrees Celsius blizzards.